Welcome to Review Rumble. The best acne removers is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone battling persistent breakouts, offering a targeted approach to clearing skin and preventing future blemishes. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of these innovative tools, exploring how they work, what makes a good one, and which ones stand out from the crowd to help you achieve that smooth, clear complexion you've been dreaming of. Number 5. JPNK Blackhead Remover Comedone Extractor. Are you struggling with persistent blackheads and blemishes? Our kit is designed to help you achieve clearer skin. Experience a gentle yet effective way to remove comedones and acne. This tool set provides precise control for safe extraction. Achieve professional level results in the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to imperfections and hello to a smoother complexion. Crafted from high-quality materials, this extractor kit is built to last. Its ergonomic design makes it simple and comfortable to handle. Unveil your clearest, most radiant skin with this essential beauty tool. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine for a flawless finish. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive set of tools for various acne concerns. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and hygiene. If you're looking for a complete solution with a comfortable grip, this is a great choice for at-home extractions. What people say. The case is made of pleather and it has a locking mechanism that you have to push in to open it, and everything is secured inside. The tools also have a good weight to them, but they're not heavy enough to fatigue your hands when you're using them, and the overall size is perfect to put in a bag, backpack, or purse, I would say. The tools are made of sturdy stainless steel and feel durable, not flimsy. I like that the kit comes with multiple extractor shapes for different types of blackheads and whiteheads. The textured handles provide a good grip, which helps with precision. Number 4. MENOLY 10 PCS Pimple Popper Tool Kit. Introducing the MENOLY Pimple Popper Tool Kit, your comprehensive solution for clear skin. This 10-piece set is designed to effectively tackle blackheads, pimples, and blemishes. Effortlessly remove blackheads and zits with our specialized tools. Achieve a smoother complexion by gently extracting impurities from your pores. Whether you're dealing with comedones, acnes, or whiteheads, this kit has you covered. It's perfect for use on your nose and face. Crafted for precision and ease of use, these tools help you achieve professional-level results at home. Say goodbye to stubborn imperfections. Keep your tools organized and protected with the included stylish leather bag. It's perfect for storage and travel, ensuring you always have your skincare essentials on hand. What we like? With 10 different tools, this set covers almost every type of blemish. The included leather case makes it perfect for travel and storage. If you need a wide variety of options and appreciate organized portability, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The variety and quality of the instruments are really great. Plus, I love the little zippered case. 10 different tools for precise blackhead and whitehead removal, all neatly stored in a leather bag. Works great and feels professional, perfect for at-home skincare. A tool for every need. Nice case. Number 3. Seki Edge Blackhead Remover SS801. Tired of stubborn blackheads? Discover a professional solution designed for effective removal. Achieve clearer skin with ease. This is more than just a tool, it's your secret weapon against blemishes. Its precision design ensures a clean and effective extraction every time. Featuring 2 different hole sizes, it adapts to your specific needs. Target blackheads of all sizes with the perfect fit. Don't just treat, prevent. This tool helps maintain clear pores, reducing the likelihood of future breakouts. Keep your skin looking its best. For anyone seeking a reliable pore extractor, this is the answer. It's designed for both effectiveness and ease of use, making skincare simple. Experience the quality and precision that Seki Edge is known for. Invest in a tool that delivers professional results right at home. What we like? Designed for precision, this tool features 2 loop sizes for different pore types. Its professional-grade construction allows for accurate and effective removal. If you prioritize accuracy and a tool that mimics professional salon treatments, this is the one to consider. What people say. The kit includes a variety of tools, each designed for a specific purpose, making it easy to tackle different types of blemishes. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy sterilization, which is important for hygiene. The ergonomic design of the tools provides a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control during use. Number 2. GUGUG Skin Scrubber Face Spatula. Tired of stubborn blackheads and clogged pores? Discover a revolutionary way to achieve a clearer complexion. Our advanced tool offers a deep clean like never before. This innovative device gently exfoliates and removes impurities from your skin. It effectively targets blackheads and minimizes the appearance of pores for a smoother look. Experience personalized skin care with 4 distinct modes. Whether you need deep cleansing, gentle exfoliation, or a revitalizing boost, it adapts to your needs. Say goodbye to manual squeezing and harsh treatments. This spatula effortlessly lifts away blackheads and dirt, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Unlock your skin's natural radiance. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in skin texture and clarity. Get ready for a healthier-looking glow. Designed for ease of use, this tool provides professional-level results at home. Achieve a deep, satisfying cleanse without any hassle. What we like? This device goes beyond simple extraction with 4 distinct modes for cleansing and exfoliation. It uses ultrasonic technology for a deep clean. If you desire a multifunctional tool that cleanses and rejuvenates your skin, not just removes blackheads, this is an excellent option. What people say. The cleanse mode helps to remove makeup more effectively, but the steam ion mode for cleaning pores is a game changer. I've seen a huge improvement especially in areas around my nose and chin. Skin is definitely clearer, and pores look smaller. It effectively removes blackheads, dirt, and oil without being harsh or irritating. The device is lightweight, easy to use, and charges quickly. I love that it has multiple modes: cleansing, lifting, moisturizing, and Ion Plus. Each one adds a nice boost to my skincare routine. It would push most of the sebaceous filaments out, without having to put pressure down on my face, which is lovely. Number 1. Blackhead Remover Pimple Popper Tool Kit. Tired of stubborn blackheads and pimples? Discover the professional solution you've been searching for. This comprehensive kit is designed to help you achieve clearer skin. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tools are built for durability and precision. They offer a hygienic and effective way to tackle blemishes. With 6 different tools included, you have everything you need for a complete skincare routine. Each piece is designed for specific types of blemishes. Say goodbye to manual squeezing and irritation. These specialized extractors make removing blackheads and pimples easier and safer than ever before. Reveal your best skin yet. Regular use of this kit can help prevent future breakouts and leave your complexion looking smooth and refined. Keep your skin looking its best with this essential tool kit. It's the perfect addition to any at-home facial or skincare regimen. What we like? This 6-piece kit provides essential tools for effective blackhead removal. Made from stainless steel, it's built to last. If you're seeking a straightforward, durable, and budget-friendly set for basic blackhead and pimple extraction, this kit is a solid pick. What people say. The extractors are made of stainless steel, which is easy to clean and very durable. They also come with lids so I can store them easily. The tools are designed to be gentle on the skin so there was no redness or any other issues after using them. They feel so deluxe. Very sturdy, very nice finish. They're kind of cubish on the handles, which actually ends up working really well since you literally grasp them with your fingers to use them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.